Are you a fan of air rifles? Do you prioritize safety while using them? Look no further than the Magsafe by SqueakyBee.com. The Magsafe safety magazine fits the BSA Gamo Phox air rifle gun. This revolutionary air gun safety magazine is designed to keep you and those around you safe while you enjoy your air rifle. The Magsafe is 3D printed by SqueakyBee.com, ensuring top quality construction that meets your needs. The Magsafe comes in .22 caliber and .177 caliber, with and without cutouts. You can even customize the color to match your personal style. At SqueakyBee.com, we pride ourselves on our print quality and safety. We understand that safety is paramount when using air rifles, and that's why we've designed the Magsafe BSA Gamo Phox Air Rifle Safety Magazine to provide peace of mind while you're out shooting. Order your Magsafe today and experience the difference it can make for your air rifle safety. SqueakyBee.com, your trusted partner for 3D printing solutions, South Wales, UK. SqueakyBee.com, bringing ideas to life with 3D printing.